Hi my dear children, how are you all? Hope you are good. Yes? Today's sloka. Everyone join your hands. Close your eyes. Mushika vahana modaka hasta chamara karna vilambita sutra vamana rupa maheshwara putra Vigna Vinayaka Pada Namaste. Once again repeat children. Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vigna Vinayaka Pada Namaste. Open your eyes. Put your hands down. Let us start the class. What is the date today? Today date 29. Today date 29. Which month? January. Year 2021. Today is Friday. Today I am teaching you EVS. EVS means Environmental Science. EVS means Environmental Science. Today we will learn about fruits. Today we will learn about fruits. Come on children, take out your textbook. Level 3. Level 3. Open page number 107. Page number 107. Lesson name Fruits. F R U I T S. Fruits. F R U I T S. Fruits. Fruit is the sweet, fleshy, edible part of a plant. It generally contains seeds. Fruits are usually eaten raw, although some varieties can be cooked. They come in a wide variety of colors, shapes and flavors. Most fruits are naturally low in fat, sodium and calories. None have cholesterol. Fruits are important sources of vitamins and carbohydrates like fiber and sugar. They are low in calories and naturally sweet. Here some fruit market. Mrs. Meera and the students are exploring the fruit market. Touch your smart pen on different fruits in the market and learn about them. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits. C I T R U S. Citrus. F R U I T S. Fruits. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits grow on flowering trees and shrubs. Citrus fruits include oranges, lemons, limes and grapefruits. Citrus fruits are rich in multiple nutrients such as vitamin C, flavor and fiber. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient that strengthens the immune system and keep your skin smooth and elastic. This is citrus fruits. Next one, stone fruits. Stone fruits. S T O N E. Stone. F R U I T S. Fruits. Stone fruits. The stone is sometimes called the seed, but that is a mistake. as the seed is inside the stone. The stones can also be called a fit. Stone fruits are a type of drupe, thin, skinned, fleshy fruits containing a single large seed encased within a tug. Example: apricots, cherries, nectarines, peaches, plums, plums. These are stone fruits. Next one, pome fruits. Pome fruits. P O M E. Pome. F R U I T S. Fruits. Pome fruits. Apples, pears, and other pome fruit. Pome fruits are members of the plant family. Pomes are fleshy fruits of the rose family. They are fruits that have a core of several small seeds surrounded by a tug membrane. For example, apples, pears, quince, rowan, toyan, white beam, loquat. These are pome fruits. Next one, berries. Berries. B E R R I E S. Berries. B E R R I E S. Berries. A berry is a small, pulpy, and often edible fruit. Berries are juicy, rounded, brightly colored, sweet, sour or tart, and do not have a stone or fit. A two-berry is a fruit which grows from one flower with one ovary. Berries are some of the healthiest food you can eat as they are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. Many berries have proved benefits for heart healthy. Example: blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, raspberry. These are berries. Next one, melons. Melons. M E L O N S. Melons. M E L O N S. Melons. A melon is any of various plants of the family Cucurbitaceae with sweet, edible and fleshy fruit. Fleshy fruit. Melons have high nutritional value. They are rich source of vitamin C, vitamins of the B group and minerals. Watermelon contains more than 92% of water. Watermelon contains more than 92% of water. For example, watermelon, muskmelon, rock melon, Persian melon. These are melons. Next one, tropical fruits. Tropical fruits. T R O P I C A L. Tropical. F R U I T S. Fruits. Tropical fruits. With its Attractive shape and juicy sweet, sour flesh. The star fruit or carambola has one of lowest calorie content among tropical fruits. It is high in vitamin C, fiber, B complex vitamins, and has small amounts of potassium, phosphorus, and zinc and iron. Examples: amla, avocado, banana, star fruit, cashew apple, chiku, coconut, dragon fruit. These are tropical fruits. These are different types of fruits: citrus fruits, stone fruits, palm fruits, berries, melons, tropical fruits. Tropical fruits. Come on, children, take it to textbook. Basic knowledge. Basic knowledge. Open page number 15. Page number 15. This is today homework. Today homework. 29th one. Make my wings colorful. Paper pasting. This is the butterfly. This is butterfly. Make wings colorful with paper pasting. Do this homework, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, children.